I have attended multiple MNC interview recently as a Java backend developers. In this video, I want to share the common areas interviewers consistently focused on purely based on my experience. So I have around 3 years of experience as a Java backend developer. I have worked mainly on Spring Boot, microservices, and security related changes. Based on attending several interviews, I noticed a clear pattern in which gets tested. What interviews really looks for. One thing I clearly noticed is interviewers are not memorizing the answers. They focus more on fundamentals, real understandings, and how well you can explain your decisions. After that, they switch to core Java fundamentals. Almost every Java interview start with core Javas. They usually check collections, internal workings, and then check whether that streams, concurrency basics, and how you are approach the problem solvings. The expectation is not tricks, but they want clarities. Then they move on to the Spring Boot concept. In Spring Boot, they go beyond annotations. They ask how the auto configurations works, how beans are created, and what happens when a Spring Boot application starts, and what happens if Spring Boot dependency will connect with those creating those objects. Much more asking about the internal workings. Then come up with that microservices concept. For microservices, the questions are usually scenario based. How services communicate, how failures are handled, how you are deal with real production issues. Your thinking process is more important than tools. Finally, they are checking with that security basics. Security is another area that comes often. Interviewers usually check authentications versus authorizations, JWT flow, that tokens and all. After that, some filters, and how REST APIs are secured in real projects. After that, the project experience. Mostly they are asked in first 5 to 10 minutes, or else in mid of the interviews. This is the most important part. They want to know what you actually worked on, what challenges you faced, and how you solved them. Clear explanations matters more than big words. You need to more focus into your project experience. Then finally, I will tell some common pattern I noticed in most of the MNCs. Across the interviews, the same areas are kept repeating. And I want to know about those. Simple explanations always create a better impressions. You should follow those. Then how to prepare this smartly. Based on my experience, focusing on fundamentals, understanding Spring Boot internals, and connecting answers to your projects makes a big difference. What next? This was just an overview of common interview focus areas. But in that next video, I will go deeper and company by company, and you want topic wise topics, which questions they are asked into that. You want, I will make to the next videos. Then this entire overview is based purely on my interview experience. I hope this help you prepare better. Thank you.